Hello everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video on how to do some vintage inspired Christmas ornaments, so I hope you give it a try. So for the project you will need some cotton, some thread and wire. I'm using really thin wire for some reason, but I think it would be easier to do this with thicker wire. You will also need some brushes and scissors and some paints, but you will also need glue. I am using cornstarch glue, but diluted PVA glue should work the same. So if you want the recipe for the cornstarch glue, I will leave it in the description. So I just take thin strips of cotton and I wrap it around the wire. I try not to bulk it up too much because I will add more cotton later on. I just want the general shape of the stem. And I do secure it with some thread just so it holds the shape better. After I've done the stem, I bulk up the top of the mushroom and I also secure it with some thread. It might look a bit wonky and misshapen, but once you start adding the glue and more cotton, it's gonna take shape and look like an actual mushroom. So I just keep adding strips of cotton and I try to get the general shape of the mushroom. So once I was happy with the shape of the mushrooms, I made a few more and I just let them dry overnight. And they do shrink a tiny bit once they're fully dry. So for the color, I used acrylic paints, but you could also use watercolors. It's just the final color is not gonna be as intense. I'm painting mine red, but you could also paint them a different color. You could make them blue, silver, gold, whichever, really. I did 2 coats of the red color and I also painted the stem and underneath the cap with like an off-white color. And I also used the same white color for the dots on top of the caps. Once the mushroom is dry, I use the off-white paint and I just dry brush all over the caps and the edges, just so it gives it more of a vintage feel. But this is optional, you could just skip it. Once I was happy with the mushrooms and they were fully dry, I coated them in a matte varnish, and I also sprinkled some glitter into the wet varnish just to give them more of a Christmassy feel. I decided to add a bit moss at the bottom of the mushroom, but this is really optional, so you can just skip this step. So all you have to do is attach some string and you have some cute little mushrooms for your Christmas tree. I do hope you enjoyed my video, and I will see you on the next one.